Now we are going to learn a method, cross multiplication method. This is another method by which we can solve the linear equation of two variable. Okay, for solving the system of linear equation of two variable, first of all, look here, we have to consider the standard linear equation of two variable, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have already discussed that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are two variables and a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is equal to a constant. C is a constant term. Okay, now first we have to convert the given linear equation of two variables, the system of linear equation, in this way, means in standard form. If in your question the constant term is given in right hand side, then we have to transpose in LHS, and first of all, without caring the sign, you should write in this way: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now for solving this linear equation of two variable, we have to write here x, and this is the sign of denominator. Now write here y, this is sign, and there is only one for first term. Look here, first of all, you have to do, this is x, there is x, so hide these terms. Now look here, you can see here only b1y plus c1 and b2y plus c2. So you should multiply the coefficient of y, this is b1, to c2, and write here b1 c2 minus. Now again, look here, the coefficient of y in second equation, this is b2, and multiply by c1, b2 and c1, and in middle you have to write here minus sign. Okay, now you have to come these terms. First of all, that is plus, again here write minus term. Okay, now look here, this is b1, this is y term, so hide this term. So you can see only a1x and c1, a2x plus c2. So multiply a1 by c2, right here a1 by c2 minus a2 by c1, a2 by c1, and now this is a constant term, so hide these terms. You have to see here only a1x b1y, a2x b2y. So multiply a1 by a2, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you will see this term in this way: a x by b1 c2 and b2 c1 minus y a1 c2 minus a2 c1, and by is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you can write here x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to, look here, there is a minus sign, so you should write here y by this minus sign in this way: a2 c1 minus a1 c2, and this is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So now again step, you have to consider first and third. So you will see here x by a1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now by cross multiplication you will see x is equal to, this will go in this side, so we will A1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Similarly, in next term, for getting the value of y, you have to consider this term and this third term. So you will see y by A2 C1 minus A1 C2 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Again by the cross multiplication, right here A2 C1 minus A1 C2 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, now you can see each steps one by one. This is the method how to solve any system of linear equation by cross multiplication. Now we have to take some examples. Look here, we are going to take the same system of linear equation. This is 2x minus 5y is equal to 4, and this is 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 16. In this way we have the system of linear equation, but first step we have to convert the given system of linear equation in a standard form. So how can, look here, 2x minus 5y, and this 4 will transpose in LHS, so it becomes minus 4 is equal to 0, and another 3x minus 2y, and this becomes is equal to 16 is equal to 0. Look here, again we have to write here x by minus y by and 1. Look here, x, we have to hide the x terms. This is minus 5 and plus 16, so minus 5 into plus 16 we will get minus 80, and we have to write here minus sign. Okay, now look here, minus 4 and minus 2, minus and minus plus, and 4 and 2 8, so again there is minus 8. Now look here, this there is minus y, so again we have to hide the y terms, so 2 into 16 there is 32, and right here minus sign, minus 4 into 3, so minus 12. Next, constant terms, so we have to hide the constant term. Look here, 2 into minus 2 there is minus 4, and right here minus sign, 5 into 3 this means minus 15, 5 into 3 minus 15. Okay, now simplify these terms, x minus 80 and minus 8, this is minus 88. Look here, minus y minus 32 and minus minus plus, so there is 44, and there is 1 by minus 4 and plus 15. In this way we get first and third term, so x by minus 88, and there is 1 by 11, so you can write here x is equal to minus 88 by 11. So we get x is equal to minus x. This is your answer. And again look here, minus y by 44 is equal to 1 by 11. So you can write here minus y is equal to 44 by 11. There is 4, so y is equal to minus 4. Again we get the same answer. X is equal to minus 8 and y is equal to minus 4. So by by all four methods, we are using elimination method, substituting method, ratio and proportion method, and cross multiplication method, and solve the system of linear equation that is given 2x minus 5y is equal to 4 and 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 16, and we get the same result. Now we have one more method. This is called graphical method. So next I will start the graphical method. Thank you.